In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a group in Splitwise. If you've been using Splitwise to track shared expenses with friends, roommates, or co-workers, there might come a time when you no longer need to be part of a particular group. Maybe a trip has ended, you've moved out of an apartment, or a project is done. Leaving the group keeps your Splitwise account tidy and makes it easier to focus only on the groups you still use. First, open Splitwise in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the list of your groups, usually on the left-hand side of the screen. From here, click on the group that you want to leave. This will open that group's main page, where you can see all the expenses, balances, and members associated with it. Next, you'll need to go into the group's settings. On the group page, look for a small gear icon or a button labeled Settings. This is typically found near the group's name or in the upper part of the screen. Click on that gear icon or settings option to open the menu for this specific group. In the menu that appears, choose Edit Group Settings. This will take you to a more detailed settings page just for that group. Here, you can see options related to the group name, members, and other configuration details. This is also where Splitwise lets you manage your membership in the group. Before Splitwise will let you leave, you need to make sure all your expenses in that group are fully settled. On the Edit Group Settings page, Splitwise will show you if you still owe money or if someone still owes you. If there are outstanding balances, go back to the group page and use the Settle Up options, either by recording a payment or by actually paying your friends through whatever method you prefer. Once everything is settled and the group shows that you're all square, Splitwise will display the option to leave the group on this settings page. At that point, you can safely leave the group without affecting anyone else's balances or records. And that's it. By clicking on the group, opening the settings with the gear icon, going into Edit Group Settings, and making sure all expenses are settled, you'll be able to leave a Splitwise group cleanly and confidently.